Dear students, welcome back to chapter 3, classification of elements and periodicity in properties. Okay, in this lesson we will going to learn about the atomic radius, ionic radius, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, electronegativity, oxidation states, chemical reactivity. Let us learn about the ionization enthalpy in this session. Ionization enthalpy is what? The minimum amount of the energy required to remove the most loosely bound electron from an isolated gaseous atom. So, to convert it into the gaseous cation is called the ionization enthalpy. It is expressed in the unit of kilojoule per mole. So, it is represented by delta H. Ionization enthalpy is what? Minimum amount of energy is needed to remove the electron from the outermost orbit of an isolated gaseous atom. The gaseous atom in which the electrons are free to move. So, in order to remove the electron is very easier in the gaseous state. So, the minimum amount of energy required to remove the electron from the outermost orbit of an isolated gaseous atom. That convert into gaseous ion. That process is called as the ionization enthalpy. Then, the meaning of first, second and third ionization enthalpy. The energy required to remove the most loosely bound electron from the isolated gaseous atom is called its first ionization energy. That is represented by delta H1. Here, the gaseous atom, the amount of energy is needed to remove the electron from the gaseous atom, so it forms a gaseous cation. Then later on, the energies required to knock out the second and the third electrons are called as second and third ionization energies. The removal of electrons from first and second orbits, 2 electrons and 3 electrons. That process is called as the second and third ionization energies. See here, metal cation, removal of the electron from this metal cation, higher amount of energy needed, that is second ionization energy, that forms the M2 plus ion. Later on, M2 plus ion, the amount of energy is get released, delta H3, change in enthalpy, then it get converted into gaseous ion. This is called the second and third ionization energy. Removal of first electron, first ionization energy. Removal of second and third electrons, respectively second and third ionization energies. So, when one electron has been removed from the neutral gaseous atom, the positively charged ions are formed. Then, that forms a cation. The size of cation will be decreases. Then, the remaining electrons in the cation will be increases. That is, the effective nuclear charge increases. The positive ion holds its remaining electrons more firmly. Therefore, the energy required to remove the another electron from this positively charged ion or the second electron from the neutral atom must be higher than the first. So, this is called as second ionization energy is higher than that of the first ionization energy. Factors affecting on the ionization energies. There are some factors affecting on the ionization energy: atomic size or atomic radius, shielding effect, penetrating effect, radius, or the sublevels, the half-filled and the full-filled orbitals. Nuclear charge. Larger the nuclear charge, greater will be the ionization energy. Take the elements of left to right side along the period. The nuclear charge goes on increases. Then the greater ionization energy is required because electrons are added left to right side, that electrons are tightly held by the nucleus. So, higher amount of energy is required to remove these electrons. So, the nuclear charge is one of the factors for favorable the ionization energy. Shielding effect. Greater the shielding effect, lesser will be the ionization energy. Shielding effect is what? The outermost electron is not that much affected towards the nucleus, that not much attracted towards the nucleus. So, the inner electrons are act as a screen for the outer electrons. Then, that outer electrons are easily removed. Then, lesser amount of energy is required to remove the outermost electrons. So, the greater the shielding effect, the lesser will be the ionization energy. radius. It is also called as atomic radius or the atomic size. Here, the greater the distance between the nucleus and the outermost electrons of an atom, then lesser will be the ionization energy. How it is? Because from take elements of top to bottom down the group, number of cells increases, then the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell will be more. Then the outermost shell electrons are easily removed because that is not tightly held by the nucleus. That electrons are not tightly held by the nucleus, that is far away from the nucleus. From the outermost electron, lesser amount of energy is required to remove the electrons. So, greater the distance between the nucleus and the outermost electron of an atom, the lesser will be the ionization energy. Sublevel. An electron from a full or half full sublevel that requires the additional energy to be removed. Means the orbital or the sublevel that may be full-filled or the half-filled, the amount of energy is required to remove that electrons. Then penetrating effect. Penetrating effect and the shielding effect. These two are the factors that affects the ionization energy. Let us the more explanation about the factors affecting on the ionization energy with variation of the ionization energy in the periodic table. Ionization enthalpy increases as we move along the period from left to right side due to the reason of left to right side nuclear charge goes on increases. Nuclear charge increases, the electrons are added to the outermost shell. That electrons are tightly held by the nucleus. Then in order to remove that electrons, higher amount of energy is needed to remove the electron. So left to right side ionization enthalpy increases. See here, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. The ionization enthalpy goes on increases. And ionization enthalpy is highest for the noble gases. Now all the noble gases have the ionization enthalpy high because they are stable in nature. Atomic size. One of the factor it affects the ionization enthalpy. Here the ionization enthalpy decreases, the atomic size increases. Take examples, top to bottom elements of the alkali metals. Here the number of shells goes on increases, the distance between the nucleus and outermost shell increases. So the atomic size increases, then ionization enthalpy decreases. How? Because whenever the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell will be more, that outermost shell will be far away from the nucleus. The nucleus not tightly held the electrons. So in order to remove the electrons from the outermost shell, lesser amount of energy is needed. So ionization enthalpy decreases. Ionization enthalpy increases as the penetration effect of the electron increases. See students, here s, p, d, f orbitals. S orbital is very nearer to the nucleus. So its penetrating effect is very high, or penetrating effect of the electron is more. Because the s is closer to the nucleus. And that is of f orbital have the penetrating effect less because it is far away from the nucleus. The f electrons are less tightly attracted towards the nucleus. That is far away from the nucleus. There the ionization enthalpy is less for the f orbital. But ionization enthalpy is high for the s orbital because it is present nearer to the nucleus. The electrons of the s are very tightly held by the nucleus. So lot of energy is required to remove that electron. But as so on so, s, p, d and f have the lesser penetrating effect. That have the less ionization energy. About shielding effect. Shielding effect is also called as screening effect. As the shielding or the screening effect of the inner electron increases, the ionization enthalpy decreases. Because outermost electrons are not that much affected towards the nucleus. Inner electrons are act as a screen for the outer one. So, in order to remove the outermost electrons are very easy. Lesser amount of energy is required. So, ionization energy or ionization enthalpy decreases. Due to the repulsion of valence shell electrons do not feel the pull charge of the nucleus. that full charge of the nucleus, the actual charge felt by the valence shell electron is called the effective nuclear charge. Some exceptions related to the ionization energy. See students, here beryllium to the boron. Beryllium to boron means hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron. Left to right side elements. The ionization enthalpy goes on increases. Boron have the highest ionization enthalpy than the beryllium, but it is not possible. It has some exceptions. What is that exceptions? See, the ionization enthalpy of the boron is lower than that of the beryllium. Means beryllium have the high ionization enthalpy as compared to the boron. This is due to the reason of beryllium have the stable electronic configuration. So it is a more stable. Then there are two reasons here. The outermost electron in boron is present in the 2p orbitals, while the beryllium it is present in the 2s orbitals. Since 2s electrons are more penetrating towards the nucleus, thus 2p electrons, therefore lesser amount of energy is required to knock out the 2p electron than the 2s electrons. So the first ionization enthalpy of the boron is lower than that of the beryllium. Means the 2p electron of the boron is not strongly attracted by the nucleus because it is very far away from the nucleus as compared to the 2s. 2s electrons are nearer to the nucleus in beryllium. Consequently, the first ionization enthalpy of boron is lower than that of the beryllium. So, beryllium have the highest ionization enthalpy than the boron. Nitrogen and the oxygen. This is one of the exception. The first ionization enthalpy of oxygen is lower than that of the nitrogen, although the nuclear charge of oxygen is higher than that of the nitrogen. The nitrogen have the highest ionization enthalpy as compared to the oxygen because nitrogen is in the form of half-filled. Last 2p electrons, 2p3 electrons are there. The 3 electrons in the form of half-filled stability that attain the half-filled stability, but it is not possible in the oxygen. Take nitrogen atomic number 7. There 1s to 2s to 2p3. Last 3 electrons attain the half-filled stability. But in case of oxygen, atomic number equal to 8, 1s to 2s to 2p4. So p orbital is partially filled. So this is the reason for the highest ionization enthalpy of the nitrogen than the oxygen. Nitrogen has the highest ionization enthalpy. They given the reason like this. The electronic configuration of nitrogen in which the 2p orbitals are exactly half filled, so is more stable than the electronic configuration of the oxygen in which the 2p orbitals are neither half filled nor completely filled, means partially filled. Then it is difficult to remove the electron from the nitrogen than the oxygen because it shows the nitrogen shows the exactly half filled stability. So the first ionization enthalpy of the nitrogen is higher than that of the oxygen. Second one, the removal of an electron from the oxygen gives a stable electronic configurations. So which exactly half filled 2p subcell, while this is not so in case of the nitrogen. The removal of an electron from the oxygen, it gives the more stable electronic configurations than that of obtainable from the nitrogen. Along the period or along a period, left to right side. As we move from left to right in a period, the ionization enthalpy increases with increasing atomic number because with increasing atomic number, effective nuclear charge increases. Then that nucleus attract the electron towards itself. So the electrons are tightly held by the nucleus. Higher amount of energy is required to remove the electrons. So left to right side, ionization enthalpy increases. Ionization enthalpy keep on decreasing as we move down a group from one element to the other element because top to bottom atomic number increases, then the number of shells are added, the distance between the nucleus and outermost shell will be more. that the outer electrons are not tightly held by the nucleus. So in order to remove the outermost electron, lesser amount of energy is needed. So top to bottom ionization enthalpy decreases.